All right, so that was the with the Aldo BIAGIO with the 3-ton cultivator, and it's hooked up to our map. And see how nice a cultivator can be. Now, it's the most ideal, but this is a patch of Arrugala that has been harvested, and thought we'd just try it out in this area. We'll try out different implements when areas start to open up. It's early August, so a lot of it is, almost fully grown, and the opportunity will arise where we could use things like the potato digger and the harrow and stuff. Just to get a little quick overview on this particular unit, there's adjustments for the sway back and forth with these nuts. You can adjust the height, you can adjust the angle with this device, and of course you can always adjust the height of the tines themselves and of the wheels with these locks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.